Good morning, children, and welcome back to the SST class. And yesterday we had studied the chapter People Who Help, and we read about the various person, and some of them are skilled in the particular job or work, and already we had completed this chapter. So today we are going to discuss the exercise of this chapter. The students are requested, those who have SST book, you can open with me page number 38. The students, please open your book page number 38 and keep ready your fair notebook and keep with you pencil, rubber and sharpener. Okay, the students come with page number 38. Now look at here. Question number A, tick the correct option. The students listen me very carefully, okay, and tick the answer. Number 1, who work in the army? There are 4 options. Number A, drivers, B, farmers, C, soldiers, and D, none of these. Who work in the army? Number C, the soldier. C is the correct answer. Okay. Then number 2, what is the most important occupation of our country? There are 4 options. Number A, engineering, B, farming, C, manufacturing, and D, none of these. What is the most important occupation of our country? Which one? Farming. Number B. Then number 3, who imparts education to us? Number A, teacher, number B, doctor, C, farmer, and D, none of these. Who impart education? Who gives education? And the answer is number A, teacher. Who is? Teacher. Okay, teacher. Then number 4, a doctor is also called a dash. A, nurse, B, physician, C, teacher, and D, none of this. A doctor is also called a physician. Option B. Okay, so this one over. Then goes to next page. Now listen here. Question number B. Answer the following question. This one we will do later. Then come to question number C. Okay. Question number C, fill in the blanks. And there are 5 questions. Look at here. Number 1. Soldier dash their lives for the sake of their motherland. What is the answer? Sacrifice. Number 2. Teachers are very caring and dash compassionate. 3rd. Doctors are helped by nurse. 4th. Senior policemen are armed with revolvers. 5th. Fire engines are filled with water. Then come to question number D. Write true or false. Which one is true? You write true, and which one is false? You write false. Question number 1. Soldiers also help the people in case of disaster. That is true. Question number 2. Farmers are not exploited. Yes, farmers are exploited. That is false. Number 3. Mobile dispensaries are found in mobile phones. False. Number 4. To call police, we need to dial 100, and that is true. Whenever you want to call, you need to dial 100. Okay. Then 5th. Firefighters extinguish a sudden fire. That is true. Then come to question number E. Match the column there are 6 question and 6 option. You can see on the screen. Number 1, soldier. Soldier goes to number D, very difficult life. Number 2, farmers. Farmer is known as the backbone of our country. So number 2 goes to number A, backbone of our country. Then number 3, teachers, guru. In olden times teachers are called guru. Number 4, veterinary doctors. Veterinary doctors are related with the animal. So veterinary doctor goes to number E, treats animal. Then plumber. Number 5, plumber goes to fixes water taps. And last 6th, carpenter goes to number C, does woodwork. Okay, so students, I think we have finished the work which have to done on the book. The next is the question answer, the number B, what I told you before. Answer the following question. So listen me and look at the screen very carefully. Okay, now students, look at the screen, and I kept ready the answer from each question. In the question number B, answer the following question. There are 5 questions. Okay, so after question you can see the answer. So one by one I will read out. So listen me carefully, and while you note down in the copy, you find out the proper words, meaning, then you write. Okay, so look at here, the first question. What do soldiers do? And the answer is that soldiers guard our country's borders. They prevent the enemies from entering our country. Again I will read out. Soldiers guard our country's borders. They prevent the enemies from entering our country. Then question number 2. What does a farmer grow for us? And you know what does a farmer grow? And the answer is that a farmer grows food, grains, vegetables and fruit for us. He also grow tea, cotton, sugarcane, jute, groundnuts, etc. Once again, a farmer grows food, grains, vegetables and fruits for us. He also grows, here you will write as, he also grows tea, cotton, sugarcane, jute, groundnut, etc. Then question number 3. How do teachers help us? You can see the teachers are working or teaching in the school or college. So you know better how the teachers help to us. And the answer is that teachers impart education to us. They make us disciplined and punctual. Once again, teachers impart education to us. They make us disciplined and punctual. Then question number 4. What does a doctor do? And the answer is, a doctor examines a patient and gives him or her medicine which cure him or her. Once again, a doctor examines a patient and gives him or her medicines which cure him or her. Then the last question. How do policemen help us? And the answer is that policemen maintain law and order. They ensure that people do not break the rules. They look after the safety and security of the people. Once again I repeat the answer. Policemen maintain law and order. They ensure that the people do not break the rules. They look after the safety and security of the people. So your question answer is also over. Now students are requested please open your fair notebook and open a new page and write here like this: chapter 6, people who help. You write the chapter name on the top of the page and do the activities, that means exercise, like this way. First you will do number A, then after finishing number A, then number B, then number C, then number D and number E. The students are requested, please note down this one in your fair notebook, number A, B, C, D and E. The students, I think this much is enough for you. Okay, children, take care, stay healthy, may God bless you. Thank you.